Good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. M.H. Chennaiya, and in this video, we are going to draw the isometric view of a component with the given orthographic views. Friends, this is the front view. I will mark it as FV, and this is the top view. Friends, I would like to inform you that in this particular video, you are going to learn the isometric drawing isometric view of three different objects. Which are they? Friends, if you see this, there is a rectangular block of height 15 mm and width is equal to 80 mm. So that is one problem. The second one is, you have on the same block a square pyramid, because this represents the square pyramid with the diagonals joined here. So this is the front view and this is the top view, and this is placed on the platform in the front at a distance of 10 millimeter. And finally, friends, you also learn how to draw the isometric view of the frustum of a rectangular pyramid. Frustum means, friends, if you have got, we say, a square or rectangular pyramid, any of the pyramids, if it is cut by a horizontal section plane which is parallel to the base and perpendicular to VP, the portion that is left over below the vertex is called the frustum of that. Now it is in the form of a rectangle, so we call it as the frustum of a rectangular pyramid. So friends, basically one, two and three objects we are going to learn today, and all these I have combined as a single problem. Friends, before we make the isometric view or isometric drawing, we need to know what are the dimensions, the overall dimension of this view, like the length, which is 100, the width is 80, and the maximum height is 15 plus 45, 60. This is 15 and 45, 60. So friends, we have to draw on two lines inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. This is 30 degrees to the horizontal on both the sides. These are the three axes which are at 120 degrees to each, which are called as isometric axes. Friends, here, if you just observe, there is a platform or a rectangular block of width 80, thickness equal to 15 mm. So basically what I do, I draw that block here of width is equal to 15 millimeter, sorry, the thickness is 15, the width is 100, this is 100, and the height is 15, 15, 15 every, width is 80. It is 100 by 80 with thickness 15 millimeter. Now friends, let us complete that first in thin line. So I will just draw a line at a distance of 15 millimeter parallel to the base. From there again another line at an angle of same 30 degree parallel to the length equal to the 80 millimeter, or width in this case is 80. Length, width, thickness is so much. And friends, this is how the block will look. The rectangular block of dimension 100 by 80 will look in the isometric. This is the box we have got. Now friends, let us start with drawing the isometric view of this square pyramid, which has got a height of 30 and the base is also same 30 30. Height is 30, base also 30 30. That is, this is 30 30, and this at a distance of 10 millimeters. That's what I do. From this corner, I mark a distance of 10 millimeter. This is 10 mm, this side is also 10 mm, and I am going to draw this for a dimension of 30 by 30. So friends, this is 30 and this is also 30. So these are these boxes. And friends, to get the isometric projection, you know the height of this. This height is 30. So what I should do, from the center, I write a vertical line of height is equal to 30 mm. This height from the center to here is 80. Now I am going to join this vertex of the solid. This is the vertex to all the corners. So friends, I am going to join this corner here, number one of the slant edges. This is the second slant edge. This is the third slant edge. Base, you can see this side, you can also see this side. And here friends, very obviously, these two sides which come inside are not visible. Hence, to make the drawing look beautiful, I will just remove those two edges which are not visible in the front view. So friends, this is how the square pyramid will look when it is resting on this platform. Now friends, this is the part I have completed. So this is how it look in the front view and this is how it looks in the top view, friends. Now diagonally opposite to that corner, we have got the frustum of a rectangular pyramid having width is equal to 40 and base edges 40 and 20, height is equal to 45. Friends, where do you get that? Now before that friends, if you have more number of lines, you get confused, and hence what I do, I will remove all these unwanted lines. These are the unwanted lines. So we'll have the platform like this, and I am going to remove all this and show you separately how to get what is called the frustum of a rectangular pyramid. So in the front view, it is having 40. This is the front view. So friends, here we are going, this is totally 100. 40 means somewhere here you will get. A line is drawn parallel to that, parallel to this last edge. This is how much? This is 40 in this direction. So let me take a little more. So this is 40. This is drawn parallel to that. Say this length is equal to 40. This is 40 from here to the corner. I'll write that line parallel to that. And friends, this is the other dimension is 20. So 40 here and this is 20 friends. Suppose say I'll just try line here. So this is 40 by 20 I have written. So this is 20 and along this line it is 40. Now friends, how to obtain the isometric view of this? Friends, we will take a height of 45 millimeter or mark a height of 45 millimeter from all these corners. Say one line from here, second line from here, third from here, and the fourth one say here. So we are drawing the isometric projection of that frustum of a square pyramid, and I have taken 40 from every side. Suppose say this is 40. So I'll write a line parallel to that. Another, this is 40. Another line parallel to that. Simply join these friends. So you are going to get what is called a rectangular block in the top, which has got a height of, not here, parallel to this. So I can show here. This is how a rectangular block will look. But friends, the bottom face is 40 by 20. This is 20 and this is 40. Whereas at the top, it is reduced to 30 by, sorry, yeah, this is a 30 by 10. 30 by 10. Parallel to that is 30. Parallel to 40 is 30. So I am going to have one more small rectangle constructed with a dimension of how much? This is 40 by 30 outside, 40 by 30. This is how much? 30 by 10. This is 30 and this is 10. Friends, here we have to join the so-called corners of the top face to the bottom. So friends, I am going to join this to this by a dark line, this to this by another dark line, and friends, here this is to be joined to this corner by another dark line, passing through that. And friends, the top face is a rectangle. That rectangle is having dimension 30 by 40, 30 by 20. This is 30 and this is how much is 10, 30 by 10. So 30 by 10 is the dimension. Friends, let me join the other line parallel to the base like this. So friends, now we have got this square pyramid in this corner and have a custom of a rectangular pyramid on the other end. So the height of this is given to be how much? At 45 meter. Now friends, if you observe this properly, I will have this once again joint here because this has to be parallel here. So I will make it like this. And this line is there. Friends, now to make the drawing look beautiful, I will just remove all construction lines and darken the platform, this rectangular block here having height is equal to 15. Let me join all these by visible lines, visible line, this by visible line, this height also by visible line, and all this portion that is outside the object by visible lines. Friends, what is not visible in this is these construction lines are not visible. So the drawing looks better when you remove all these unwanted lines. If you want to show them by very thin lines just visible to the observer. So this is one of the slant edges, these are two slant edges, this is the last slant edge, and here this gap is 10 mm. And friends, whatever is not visible in this is shown by, or we have removed those lines to say. So even this does not exist, and you can, yeah, it is to be in the print. So this is to be shown parallel to this. Friends, this drawing will give you the isometric drawing, or it is also called as the isometric view of the block whose orthographic projections, namely the front view and top view, are given. Friends, just before closing this session, we need to check whether the drawing we have got here, that is the isometric drawing, is correct or not. Friends, how to verify? First of all, there is a rectangular block of thickness 15, length 100, width 80. Length 100, width 80, thickness 15. Yes, we have got this rectangular block. And friends, then we have in the front corner on the left side, you have a square pyramid with the edge parallel to that dimension. So this is at a gap of 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. So this will represent the front and top view of the square pyramid, which has got a height of 30 mm. Even that is satisfied. Finally, friends, we have to check whether this drawing or the top view of the frustum is right or wrong. Friends, if you observe here, you can observe here, friends, that the dimension at the top is 30 by 10. This length is 30, this width is 10. At the bottom end, you have got 40 by 20. This is 40 and this dimension is 20. Friends, that is to say, the drawing we have made is satisfying all the dimensions that are given in the orthographic views. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, please share the information about my videos and also about my YouTube channel link, namely Engineering Drawing by Dr. M.H. Annaya. Friends, I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful evening.